Today in this video we will see how to add nickname in Facebook. You can see here you can easily add your nickname in Facebook. Very easy and simple trick. To add nickname in Facebook, just open Facebook and click on three dot. Here you can see your ID. Here you can see your login ID. Click on name. Method how to add nickname in Facebook. Very easy and simple. Just click on edit profile. Here you can see scroll down this page. Click on edit your about info. Just click on. Here you can see different option. Just scroll down. Here you can see other name. Click on add other name. Just click on add other name. Here you can see add your nickname in Facebook. Just I type this my. You can easily add your nickname. Just type my love and click on show at top of profile. Check this and just save and refresh this page. Just go back. Just go to your profile and refresh this page. You can see easily add your nickname at the top of your profile. If you want to remove this, just edit, scroll down, click on edit about info. Here you can see your nickname. Click on delete name. Just OK and refresh this page. You can easily add or remove your nickname. If you like this video, share our video.